Graphic design plays a vital role in creating a unique and memorable brand identity, which is essential for standing out in a competitive market and building brand recognition. Professional graphic designers are essential for creating effective marketing materials such as brochures, business cards, flyers, banners, and more. These materials are crucial for promoting products and services and attracting potential customers. Graphic design has the power to persuade customers to think about a business. Well-crafted design pieces, such as brochures, have the ability to engage and persuade users, contributing to increased customer engagement and interest. A good graphic design should be able to represent the standards of the business. All graphics, including logos, brochures, websites, posters, ads, business cards, and more, must be designed according to a specific theme and maintain uniformity. Graphic design is a powerful and often overlooked tool in digital marketing. It is used in a diverse range of content such as videos, animations, websites, blogs, advertisements, and emails, contributing to increased engagement and conversions. Graphic design services are integral to the success of any business. From establishing a strong brand identity to creating effective marketing materials and engaging customers, the role of graphic design cannot be understated in today's competitive business landscape. To get the best graphic design services, click on the link in the description. Enjoying the content? Consider subscribing to join our community and stay updated with our latest videos. Your support helps us continue creating great content for you.